Today we're at the Eastern Museum of Motor Racing. They're having a swap meet and a motorcycle show. Come on and check it out with us. It should be cool.
Pretty soon my car's gonna be parked in the
They're cool. I regret not buying that one at Carlisle
Was
last
that
year.
like 800?
Yeah.
2900?
Let me see what you got. Jack got a Kawasaki Ninja. Oh, look at that. Let me see. Nice, cool, cool, cool. I like this Honda CB750. It's beautiful. All right, so far what I'm seeing, this looks like a much more of a vintage crowd. Vintage bikes. I like this little Yamaha right here though. This is cool. I'd like to get that for Jack. I bet that looks like it runs. It's got a new fuel filter on it. Would you like to get that? A Minda. It's a Yamaha. It's not a Honda. How much are you asking for this little guy? 14? He has one. Oh, thank you.
Stay on the website.
All right, cool. What do they go for? Sweet, Murray.
Sweet.
So is that's a BMX?
Oh,
That's
there,
not a dirt bike. That's not for
I know, it
handlebars.
looks cool.
Yeah, no, it's awesome. I love it. Oh, this guy's way. I'm liking the vintage vibe around here, honestly. I like this bike. Guy has the KD80. He's asking $650. I'm gonna offer him $500. I normally wouldn't pay that much for it. I think I brought 1,000 with me today, and I swore I wasn't going to spend any money, but I really like that KD80, so we're going to circle back on that. Hey, he wants 650 bucks for the KD80, and it runs, he says. How much money did you bring with you?
Not enough to get that.
I got plenty.
That's tempting.
And now I see a Big Wheel 200. Oh, it doesn't have a motor. All right, let's go look at this Big Wheel. It's a Big Wheel 200 with no motor. You selling that? Just bought it. Oh shit, it's cool. What kind of motor are you gonna put in it? Oh, it does? That's cool.
That's nice.
I like that tire, man. You're not gonna be getting stuck with that. How much you want for it?
I got a deal on that.
Oh, it is. It's not a KD80X, it's just a KD80, but it's still cool. Bunch of junk right here. There's a little chappy. Hey, bud. Hey, excuse me, sir. What do you want for the little chappy with no motor? You don't happen to have a little chappy pipe for sale, do you? No. Hey, would you want this right here to like booger something together with theirs because the pipe? He said make him an offer. He's right here, 600 for both. We have a little chappy that needs a little attention at the moment, but ours is a 50 and these are 80s. You think the pipe off of 80 would work on a 50? Yeah, I don't know either. Good idea. Missing camshaft. Guess you wouldn't get stuck on this thing anywhere, huh? That's cool.
That's
That is so freaking cool. Is it hard to ride? Gotcha. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Oh. Look at this guy, Jack. Look at that little guy, he's tiny. You get that for Giuseppe.
I am wee white with wheels. I am wee white with wheels.
What? KLP 110. So far, this is a cool swap meet, isn't it? What do you think, Jack, Luke? Fabio, what do you think? Pretty good. I like it. Good vibes here. That's just your size, huh? A little small. I'm not a big Suzuki guy, but this is pretty cool. What do you think? It's a Suzuki. It's nice looking. I did. Oh, Honda Gyro. This thing right here, like, it's really cool. Is it? I don't know if it's called gyro or. Oh yeah, yeah, it is. That's cool. I've never seen one in person. You lean to turn. Couple people still setting up. I'm kind of regretting not coming and setting up. It's a lot of work. I don't know if we would have actually sold anything or not. It's a cool old Honda. Kind of boogered up, but has potential. The seat cover sucks. Vintage motorcycle parts. Gotta love them. That's nice. You should ask him if he has any 92 RM graphics. Look, here's. I'm such a nerd, I almost want to buy that just to have.
I like that purple side.
Yeah, the side cover. This is a nice size swap meet. It's not huge, but it's not tiny. It goes by quick. I mean, we walked around this whole thing in 20 minutes probably. We're kind of flying through because it's not really our thing, the old parts. You put a lot of work into that, huh? Is it for sale? Are you selling it or are you just showing it off? Yeah. Would you want like $6 or something like that? All right. Is it worth more like this, or the original one's more? I'm not a purist personally.
My opinion, it's worth more to me because it's battered.
It's so cool.
Oh yeah.
I swear I wasn't gonna buy anything stupid. $75 is a little much. Hey Nick, 75 bucks. Who's selling it? I want that. Is this your stuff over here too? No. Look, RD350. That's ugly. Anything good? These old VHS tapes are hilarious. They would be insulted by my offer on that chest protector. They're asking 75. I was gonna offer them like 15. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Nick, you do the negotiation. What do you say?
You're the
You need to come in and load them and then come back.
No, I'm just gonna stand there and just offer him something stupid. Tires are all dry rot. It's got all kinds of.
I'm just gonna rush off. I'm gonna walk up, look at it. So you do it for $350. Not even gonna ask you the price first.
He's got a price tag on it.
You don't have the original kill switch, do you?
If I do, it's right in that box. I was trying to sell everything together. That's the other side. That's the headlight.
It's been repainted
Yeah, it has.
a couple times.
It's not a KD80X.
I don't know.
Sorry about that.
You have for 300?
Best I can do for you. Yeah, no problem. I'll let you dig through everything. No problem.
You negotiable at all on that thing?
A little bit, yeah.
400? Not that much.
550 to take it.
550.
Yeah,
It's cool, man. Thank you.
no problem.
500. I think he said 550. Whatever he said. I don't know.
I mean, that's up to you.
Hell no.
Yeah, stop it.
Jack, you don't need it that bad, bud. Here's some of our scores.
86 High Point.
When the guy said $10, I thought for sure he was saying $10 a piece, but he said $10 for all the old shirts. So what year are they from? Do they have the years on them?
This one's 91. 91 Unadilla.
Unadilla 91 motocross. Oh, here's an 87
The one over there is an 86.
Tioga. And then all the old, these are all from, let's see what year we got here, 94, 94.
Another High Point.
Where's Jack?
Under here.
Dude, he's cruising by.
Another Unadilla.
Nice, nice. Got some weird stains going on this one. What the hell?
What the hell that is? That's
Oh well,
weird.
I like it. It adds character. Oh, these are nice. Top Pro motocross.
Trading cards.
Nice. I can't wait. Can we open these and look
Yeah,
at them?
of
Or
course.
let's see what we got here. What year?
90.
Where's the say the year?
90.
Oh yeah. This is a sneak peek of the
Oh, yeah.
1990s.
1989.
That's cool.
Alright, let's open it up. Already good. Ricky Johnson, McGrath. Lay him out. There's a lot of good ones.
So cool. So I'm wearing one of my fly new shirts I got from the swap meet today. It's hard to believe this shirt is from 1991. I love it. I'm not actually going to wear it out and about because I don't want to get it dirty. I'm just going to hang them up. But anyway, guys, please like, subscribe, all that stuff to our channel. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.